Right now, you're doing something that's killing your hair, and you have no idea. Every morning you see it. Hair on your pillow and the shower drain on your hands. You think it's normal, but it's not. These 7 daily habits are silently destroying your hairline and aging you faster than you realize. But the good news? Fix them today, and in just weeks, your hair starts looking thicker, stronger, and alive again. 1. Night habits. Most guys don't realize this, but the way you sleep can silently destroy your hair. There are 2 common mistakes that weaken your hair overnight. The first is sleeping with wet hair. Wet hair is weak, and when you move your head on the pillow, it creates friction. That friction damages the outer layer and weakens the strands from the root. If you shower at night, make sure your hair is at least 80% dry before bed. Use a cool setting on your blow dryer for 2 to 3 minutes. The second mistake is using cotton pillowcases. Cotton absorbs your scalp's natural oils while you sleep, leaving your hair dry, frizzy, and prone to breakage. The simple fix is switching to silk or satin pillowcases. They're smoother, help your hair retain moisture, and reduce friction. Try it for 1 week and you'll notice the difference. 2. Wrong oiling habits. Most guys think more oil equals better hair. Wrong. Too much oil clogs follicles and increases hair fall. Your scalp has the most oil glands in your body. It doesn't need extra oil. After showering, apply only 2 to 3 drops on damp hair strands, not scalp. Apply only on ends. They're farthest from natural oils and need external moisture. Now, which oils to use? Coconut oil for moisture and shine, argan oil for frizz, castor oil for thickness and growth. Jojoba oil balances your scalp, but the strongest is rosemary oil. It's proven to give results as powerful as minoxidil when used regularly. Once monthly, do a proper scalp massage with oil for blood flow. Never leave overnight. Oil mixes with sweat and bacteria, worsening problems. 1 hour maximum, then wash. Bonus, massage your scalp before shampooing. Studies show this can increase hair thickness by 8%. 3. Drying your hair wrong. There are 2 hair drying mistakes costing you hair. First is harshly rubbing with a towel. This causes breakage and weakens roots. Instead, gently pat and press hair while drying. Best option, use a microfiber towel. It absorbs water better and prevents damage. Second mistake is using a hair dryer every day. Hair dryers make your hair thin and dry your scalp. If you're using it, don't use hot air. Hot air completely destroys your hair. Always use the cool setting and keep it 6 inches away. Golden rule, never hot water, never hot air. Heat destroys protein bonds permanently. 4. Using harsh shampoos. Your shampoo might be the reason your hair keeps falling. Most regular shampoos have sulfates, strong chemicals that remove your scalp's natural oil. When that oil is gone, your hair becomes dry, weak, and rough. Switch to a sulfate-free shampoo and a mild conditioner. These clean your hair gently and keep it soft and shiny. How often you wash depends on your hair type. Curly hair, 1 to 2 times a week. Wavy, 2 to 3 times a week. Straight, 3 to 4 times a week. If you go to the gym or sweat daily, it's okay to wash daily with a gentle shampoo. When you wash, focus on cleaning your scalp, not the ends. After shampoo, use conditioner only on the bottom half of your hair. 5. Poor nutrition. Doesn't matter how much you wash from outside, if your insides are weak, you'll have hair loss. Hair roots get nutrition from food. If your diet is poor, no shampoo or oil will save your hair. Protein. Hair is 90% protein called keratin. Eat 3 eggs for breakfast daily. Add chicken breast or fish 2 to 3 times a week. Healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds. Keep your scalp moisturized and hair shiny. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A from spinach, broccoli, carrots. Vitamin C from oranges, amla, lemon. Vitamin E from almonds. Zinc from pumpkin seeds. Biotin from eggs and nuts. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. Sleep properly. Reduce stress. Stress directly triggers hair fall. 6. Wearing dirty caps and helmets. If you're wearing the same sweaty, dirty cap or helmet for hours daily, you're creating the perfect environment for hair loss. Sweat, dirt, and oil get trapped under that cap. Your scalp can't breathe. This leads to clogged pores, dandruff, and infections. The constant friction causes breakage, especially at your hairline. This is why many guys have receded hairlines right where their cap sits. The fix is simple. Wash your caps and helmet liners regularly. Get a moisture wicking liner if you wear helmets. Limit how long you wear caps each day. Give your scalp time to breathe. 7. Heat and styling damage. If you're using styling products like wax, gel, pomade, or hairspray, make sure they don't touch your scalp. And if you style in the morning, always wash your hair before sleeping. Never leave styling products overnight. Styling products contain chemicals that clog your pores and suffocate your follicles. When you leave them overnight, they mix with sweat and oil, creating a toxic environment. If using a dryer, always cool setting, hold 6 inches away, keep moving constantly. Best option, air dry naturally when possible. Now here's one life-saving tip. If your hair fall has gotten serious, then onion juice is a lifesaver. There's even a study in 2002 where men with bald spots used onion juice twice a day for 6 weeks. By the 4th week, 93% saw new hair growing back. Here's how. Juice 1 onion and dip a cotton pad in it. Dab it on thin or bald areas. Do this morning and night for 4 weeks. Let it sit 15 minutes, then rinse. Onion juice has sulfur and antioxidants that boost blood flow and wake up sleeping follicles. Can't handle the smell? Mix it with coconut oil or rose water. The reality is, your hair isn't falling out because of genetics. It's falling out because of what you do every single day. These 7 habits are either building your hair up or tearing it down. Fix your night routine. Use the right oils. Dry properly. Switch to gentle shampoos. Eat real food. Keep caps clean and protect from heat. Start with 3 habits from this list. Master those, then add more. In 90 days, you'll see thicker, healthier hair. That's it. If you're ready to level up and become the best version of yourself, hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and check the link in the description.